This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Randy Neuman. Fully furnished oceanfront townhome available for 6-month plus 1-day or 7-month rental. First and second floor master suites. First floor laundry room. Stainless steel appliances in the brand new updated kitchen. Plenty of room for your family and guests to enjoy the beach, heated pool and launches from Cape Canaveral Air Force Station. Great location and close to shopping, restaurants, pet-friendly parks, golfing and PAFB.FIRST, last and security deposit required. This is a pet-friendly rental unit. For more information, review the details below or contact Randy Neuman at 321-308-3268.